Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 3 Excel tricks and tips. So let's start this maxel, and here you can see I have data. The first trick, simply select the cell where you want to split your Excel sheet. So I select this cell and go to the view tab, and in Windows group click on the split option. And you can see your Excel sheet is split in the 4 parts. When you select here, you drag, you can see the first parts. This is the second part, this third is third part, and this is the fourth part. So this is a way you can split your Excel sheet. Okay. Again, just go to the view tab and click on the split to remove the split. Okay. And the second tricks to remove the grid line. So these are the grid line of Excel file. So remove this grid line. Again, go to the view tab in show group. Just untick this grid line option. Okay. Just untick this, and here you can see the grid line is removed. Okay. And the third tricks, okay, to add the new window. The current Excel file name is Excel tutorial. When you add the new window, same Excel file is added with the Excel tutorial 1. So to add the new window, go to the view tab. Okay. In Windows group, click on the new Windows option. And you can see Excel tutorial 2 with the same data. So you can add here the new Excel file with the same name, with the same data. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.